Hi there, we are Rhino, and today's question is, what is drying beads and why do you have to use them to dry and storage the seed? Drying beads, it's a desiccant, meaning that it adsorbs and holds water vapor. When we say that something adsorbs moisture, we mean that water molecules adhere to the surface of the material. Basically, drying beads, it's covered in millions of tiny pores that can retain moisture. It can actually absorb about 20 to 25% of their weight, with strong binding at temperatures below 200 degrees Celsius. This can reduce the relative humidity in a closed container down below 10% within 30 minutes. Drying beads can be reusable. This is done by an oven or microwave. For an oven method, just put it in at 200 degrees for 3 hours. Then the beads can reuse again and again without any loss. Moreover, non-toxic for food and the environment. This is why we developed the beads, in order to dry and store seeds in an easy, affordable but high-quality way. The result gives an impressive, immediate impact on farmers as well as on seed companies and other organizations that need to safeguard seed production in a sustainable way. High-quality seed is a basic and crucial agricultural input that can determine the commercial success of a crop. Save your seed from pests and diseases is an important factor and is influenced by environmental conditions and by cultural post-harvest management practices. Correct drying and storage can play a major role in the reduction of these plagues. Spicy is a necessary part of every recipe and in every kitchen. We all like to use fresh herbs and spicy, but this is often impossible to achieve. Instead, we dry spices in order to preserve them for a longer period. Often with the drying, the subtle flavors are lost and the spices become less flavorful. The drying beads can maintain these flavors and colors. Drying and conservation of food items is another major concern. In addition, here we believe that the drying beads can make a difference. They can be used easily in every kitchen for easy but high-quality conservation of chips, cookies and many other products. Also, by the production of dried food items can these drying beads make a difference. DNA degradation is a process by which DNA breaks down into smaller fragments. Environmental factors such as sunlight, heat and humidity can increase the rate of degradation. Drying beads can dry the leaf materials perfectly so that the degradation is quickly stopped. Another advantage we found is that the leaves are very easily crushed and no liquid nitrogen is needed during the DNA extraction.